It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. After searching for a while, I finally found my turntable. It might be noisy. It also might be unlevel, but I'm going to play with the bloom because I can right now. This is my pillow paint, which is Walmart semi-gloss. And I'm going to use a blow dryer today, which is something I don't do that often. And I'm going to start... Ooh, that smells funny. It's got some old Floetrol in it, maybe. No, it can't, because it's pillow paint. I am going to start with... What am I going to start with? I'm going to start with the deep amethyst. And these are Prizm Pour colors. There's a 20% off coupon code underneath the video. Should you be interested in purchasing something, you're helping me out because I'm an affiliate. This is Whispering Wind. This is one of the new colors. Totally gorgeous. This is some orange crush with some added big apple to make it a deeper red orange. I'm going to go for the pink diamond. Is it? Yes, it is. I see people use different quantities of paint, and I'm very curious. This is Tuscan Sun and Orange Crush. It is when it comes out. I still want some more purple, so I think I'm going to add a little bit of Twilight Orchid. It's time to make some more. And that's tipping that way, so I'm going to bring it back over here so it tips the other way. Move my bottles out of the way. I think I want some French silk. I'm not sure why. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. And I have Amsterdam Black in Aussie Floetrol. Oh, there's my cerulean blue hiding. This is my new mixture of Pivo Studio High Viscosity Acrylics. It just says metallic. I thought it rich, iridescent, precious gold. So this has been working with the Aussie Floetrol to make beautiful cells. Be good if it shut off. That's not looking quite as I had expected it to. Maybe I had too much white paint. I am no bloom expert, that is a certainty. And I have a tray to pour off onto. Maybe we'll just spin it out. Not that I have the world's greatest spinner by any stretch of the imagination. I kind of like it. It's pretty simple. And it is spinning out. Part of me wants to put in another color. Part of me doesn't. Here's my straw. I've got a skewer. know it's super simple, but for some reason I really like it. Except for that little tail I added by accident. I never remember when I first do this again after it's been a while. I'm liking all of that. Do I see many bubbles? I see one. So this is Priscilla Batzell for the fastest bloom ever. I'll just have to do another one. Maybe with less white paint. And I'll use the white paint I've got dripping down. Maybe the next one will be a swipe. I know, it's sliding all over the place. That was painful. I don't want to do that again. Gosh, I just like it. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you like what I like. Or you like me. That would be appreciated. Know that I have 2,400 videos. You can find them by going to my channel, playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. I don't know if shimmering that will be beneficial to anyone, but I'll give it a shot. My flashlight's disappeared. There we go. It's so centralized, but it's pretty. I always want people to stop when I see that something's nice like that. I don't know about that one black spot. I think that one could go somewhere else. Simple and sublime. It's cells are breaking out even more, and I see that there are a few places that might be worth popping some bubbles because I can't torch. Yeah. Okay. Well, I need some practice at this, and I'm enjoying what I'm seeing. So I will see you guys anon. There we go. There's a shimmer worth shimmering, worth seeing. Thank you for your kind words and comments and compliments when I get them. I really appreciate that. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know any shopping you do on my links is appreciated. And Bixby needs to go away. I wish that would stop. Thank you guys for being here. I post at noon Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week. And I love you. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.